Court judges denied a request from the US President Donald Trump's lawyers to review files seized in last week's FBI raid on Michael Cohen's office. Mr Cohen has been forced to attend a court hearing and provide information about his clients. Mr Cohen hasn't been alone in the courtroom. The porn star Stormy Daniels has also appeared there, causing quite a stir. She says Mr Cohen paid her $130,000 to keep quiet about an affair she says she had with Mr Trump in 2006.
So for years, Mr. Cohen has acted like he is above the law. He has considered himself and openly referred to himself as Mr. Trump's fixer. He has played by a different set of rules, or should we say no rules at all. He has never thought that the little man, or especially women, and even more women like me, mattered. That ends now. My attorney and I are committed to making sure that everyone finds out the truth and the facts of what happened, and I give my word that we will not rest until that happens.
Mr Cohen's attorney has also been forced to disclose that he had represented the Fox News presenter Sean Hannity in 2017 and this year, despite his request for anonymity. Mr Hannity has taken to Twitter to deny the claim, saying Michael Cohen has never represented me in any matter. He says he never retained him, received an invoice or paid legal fees. He says he has occasionally had brief discussions with him about legal questions about which he wanted his input and perspective.
From delivering his third budget, so what important announcement did the Treasurer have to make?
Tell Australians I am not Santa Claus and there won't be a Christmas in May.
He was reacting to this front page, created on the back of this line from the acting Prime Minister. On May 8, as on December 25, Scott Santa Claus Morrison will be announcing some goodies.
As I said, I'm not Santa Claus and I'm not bringing a bag of gifts.
So her vote has been naughty, not nice.
This is coal. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared.
That was a dig at Labor made last year. The Treasurer says voters shouldn't be scared this year.
The Grinch, I don't think will be making an appearance either.
The budget will be a typical pre-election one, with big spending on infrastructure and an income tax cut.
Relieve that burden on families, on middle incomes, who have been doing it tough, and we understand that.
The acting Prime Minister's comments are not helpful when the government is trying to manage expectations, not to mention hardly in keeping with the Coalition's constant claim they are the ones more responsible with the budget.
You have an obligation to spend taxpayer money in the best interests of the Australian people, not just simply to try and do something about your unpopularity.
This budget, like the budget of households all around the country, needs to continue to exercise the restraint that has been so important.
Tom Connell, Sky News, Canberra.